Good morning. In the previous class, we have learned of the side view of the vertebral column. Today, we are going to take only one, that is the structure of a vertebrae. We'll start with the structure only one, alright, single, that's the individual structure of a vertebrae. So others, that is the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and all this we are going to learn in detail, right? Now, the structure of vertebrae is very important for your board exam also. So you need to draw this and need to learn it by heart. This is an individual structure of a vertebrae. Now, each vertebrae is a ring-like structure. This is the upper portion, but when you see from this side, it will look like a ring-like structure. Each vertebrae has a body which consists of a large middle portion known as body or centrum. They have a big portion over here, that is body or centrum. Alright, it has presence of pore over here. This is the pore, P-O-R-E, a hole, we can say a small hole, like, okay, small pore. This is known as neural canal. The main function of this neural canal is to allow the spinal cord to pass through this. The main function of this neural canal or small pore is to allow the spinal cord to pass through this. Two neural arches arises from the centrum, from the body. Alright, next now. Alright, so two neural arch arises from the centrum, from the body. Now we have this transverse process, a thick sideward projection that arises from the neural arch. And the main function of this transverse process is alright, it helps in the attachment of muscles and ligament. Now, the neural arches, alright, two neural arches. The neural arches also bear articular facets, which helps in joining two vertebrae, one behind the other. Okay, it helps in joining two vertebrae, one behind the other. Alright, and we have the last one, that is invertebral disc. So in between these two vertebrae, how they join it, like this is one vertebrae and the other one. So what is invertebral disc is like a cartridge, like it acts as a cushion. Okay, it forms a cushion between the two vertebrates. So this helps to join the two vertebrates. Alright, two vertebrae, one vertebrae, and invertebral disc helps to join them. Once again, the structure. Now, this is a ring-like structure. This has each vertebrae has a body which contains a large middle portion. Okay, this is the middle portion that is known as centrum. It has a presence of spore that is known as neural canal, from where the spinal cord passes through this. Two neural arches arises from the centrum body. Alright, transverse forces are thick sideward projection from the neural arches, and the main function of this is attachment of muscles and ligament. Next we have is from the neural arch also be a articular facets which helps in joining two vertebrae, one behind the other. And last, we have the invertebral disc that acts as a cushion between the two vertebrae. Alright, we have to know the structure properly. So this is the structure of a vertebrae.